Here's how to remove the Taboola News app or disable its lock screen news and stories on an Android phone so it no longer appears in normal use in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show in a step-by-step guide how to stop Taboola News from appearing on your lock screen and remove it if your phone supports it. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone, then tap Apps or Apps and Notifications. This is where you'll manage installed apps. Scroll through the list and look for Taboola News, Live Lock Screen, or another Taboola-related app. Once you find it, tap it to open the app info page where you'll see options such as uninstall, disable, notifications, and storage. Next, tap uninstall if the button is available. You'll see a confirmation message asking if you want to remove the app. Tap OK or uninstall to confirm, and the app will disappear from your apps list. Then, if the uninstall button is missing, tap disable instead if your phone provides that option. You'll see a confirmation explaining that the app will be disabled. This stops it from running even if it cannot be completely removed. After that, if Taboola News still appears on your lock screen, go back to Settings and open Lock Screen. Look for Live Lock Screen or a similar option depending on your phone. Open it and turn off changing wallpapers and stories or disable the Live Lock Screen feature. Once you do, Taboola News stories will stop appearing on your lock screen. Now, if you don't see this option, there's another way. Open Settings, tap Apps, and select Taboola News or Live Lock Screen. Tap Force Stop, then open Notifications and turn off every notification category. Next, open Storage and tap Clear Cache and, if appropriate, Clear Storage. Restart your phone, then turn to the lock screen settings to make sure the Live Lock Screen feature remains turned off. Once, if the uninstalled button is grayed out or missing, the app is likely integrated into your device, so disabling it and turning off the Live Lock Screen feature is the supported solution. Once everything is set, Taboola News will either be removed from your phone or disabled, and Taboola Stories will no longer appear on your lock screen or as an active app, depending on what your device supports. Following these simple steps makes removing Taboola News from your Android phone quick and easy.